morning students. Geography first chapter name is first chapter name is the earth and the gratitude and the gratitude. Our chapter name is the earth and the gratitude. Students, last period we were learned about the many concepts of the gratitude. That in these chapters we will learn about the what is the angular distance, how to measure angular distance. Then what is the globes, then what is the south pole, what is the north pole, then parallel of the latitude. Many concepts we will learn about the concept. What is the definition of parallel of latitude? What is the parallel latitude? In last period we will learn about this all concepts, but today we are going to learn about the next point. Point name is the meridians of latitude. Point name meridians of latitude. Meridians of longitude. Meridians of latitude. Today we are going to learn about the meridians of longitude. Then first I will read this point and then I will give you explanation to this point. Here given one activity, do it itself. We are given the take a orange and peel off its skin. You will see the segment inside the vertical line on this. This activity you will do it in your home, and observation of this activity you note down your notebook. First I will read this point and then I will give you explanation of this point. Use figure 1.9 to do the following left line AMBD 0 degree. Draw the line MB. Measure the angle it makes with the line AM and write it near B. Note the semicircles that passing through B and join the north and south pole. Trace it. Now join MC. Measure the AMC and write next to C. Draw the semicircle that passes through the C and join the north and south pole. Draw the line passing through the point A at 0 and join the north and south poles. Then meridians of longitude. You will realize that the line drawn from point A, B and C make an angle at M, the center of the earth on the place of the equator. Through this point we can draw semicircle joining both of poles starting with point. A view can be drawn. Similarly, semicircles through point placed at each degree. These semicircles are known as the meridians of longitude. One of these meridians is considered to be 0 degree. It is known as the prime meridian. The angular distance of the other meridians from the prime meridians are measured in degrees is called as longitude. You have done this activity based on figure 1.9. The 0 and 180 meridians lie opposite on the globe. forming a circle. This circle divided the earth in eastern and western hemisphere. All meridians are equal in size. Meridians in the eastern hemisphere are labeled as 10 degrees east, 25 degrees east, and 135 degrees east. While in the western hemisphere they are labeled as the 10 degree west, 25 degree west, 135 degree west, etc. 30 degree east is the semicircle that is joined on place at an angular distance of 30 degrees from the prime meridian. Some of them are Cairo, Harare, and Durban in Africa. See figure 1.6. Then, though the earth is huge in size, we can tell the exact location of this place on the earth using latitude and longitude. Note that the distance between two adjacent parallels in the same everywhere, but the distance between two adjacent meridians is not the same everywhere. We can see the even on the segment of the orange. The distance between the meridians is maximum on the equator and goes and reduces toward the poles. At the poles it is a 0. Here given some point, but in this point, that means the meridian of longitude. I give you some hard word. Meridians means hard word. Meridians means actually this is not hard word. This is a new word. A line that we image on the surface of earth that line that joins north pole and south pole. So, second word, latitude. Last period I give the meaning of the longitude. Latitude means the angular distance the angular distance of a place from the equator. From the equator. Meridian. Here, new word. Meridian is the line that we image on the surface of the earth that join north pole and south pole. That means meridian is also one type of line that we image. Only we can image these lines on the surface of the earth. That means we can only image this line surface on the earth that join south pole and north pole. That means line join south pole and north pole. That means north and south. That means this is drawn by south pole and north pole. Latitude. Latitude means the angular distance of a place from the equator. That means in last lecture we will learn about the equator. latitude means the angular distance. After we also learn about the what is the angular distance. That means latitude means the angular distance of the place from the equator. That means here last period I taught to you the angular distance. This is the equator, and then here in point of the south pole and north pole. So this is, that means here A and here B. That means the A, M, or also C here C. This is also known as the angular distance. Here given 30 degrees and here 60 degrees. What is the meaning of the latitude? The angular distance of the place from the equator. That means the angular distance here. Angular distance from the place from the equator. Place from the any equator. This is known as the latitude. Next word, adjacent. Do you know adjacent? Next word, adjacent means to near, to continuously near, continuously, neighboring. Then longitude. What is the meaning of longitude? Last period, this word given to you. Tell me what is the meaning of the line longitude? What is the meaning of the longitude? Longitude means angular distance placed from the angular distance of place from the prime meridian. Right? Meridian. You know, adjacent is what is relative, adjacent is near. Longitude and latitude, these two words. What difference between these two words? Longitude means angular distance of place from the prime meridian, and latitude means angular distance of one place from the equator. But here prime meridian considering the longitude. In the longitude, the prime meridian is considered here, and in the latitude only equator is considered. I take one activity related to the meridians of longitude. Then use figure 1.9 the following, let the line AB to be the 0 degree. That means here draw the line MB here. Here point center is the A. Then draw the line MB, major angle next is line AM. That means here center, and then here M. Take a M point. Then write the near its B. That means here. Point A near to. Take a next pointer. Take a next point B. Take a next point B. Here North Pole and here South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. Here and point here South point. So draw one line into point B. Then semicircles, that means B, near point B, note that semicircles that passing through the B and join the north and south pole. That means this point. That means B point. We draw the point B, and then the semicircles that passing through this point. That means N point and S point. At that time, the north and south pole, that means the semicircles that passing through the south pole, now north pole to B point and then south pole. Then that means when AM you write near the point B, at that time, that means the semicircle passing through the point B. At that time, the north pole and south pole traces. Now join MC. Then here point take a C and join MC. Point MC. And measure AMC. Measure AMC. That means you measure the angle of AM. C. Next to draw C. Draw the semicircle that passing through the C. That means you again passing the semicircle to point C. Here. Semicircle passing through the point C. Draw the semicircle that passing C. They join north pole and south pole. And so, as like a B point passing, at that time the semicircle passing through the B point, they join north pole and south pole. Similarly, this C point semicircle passing through the C point, at that time this C point is joined north pole and south pole. Same direction. Draw the lines passing through the point A at 0 and join the north and south pole. That means then again you draw the line passing through the point A. That means you draw line passing through the A point. Passing through the A point at a 0 and join the south and north point. You understand here and here. That means B point and also C point. Then semicircle passing through the B point and same to the C point. You understand? They join south pole and north pole. That means there 2 points. Also B point and C point. They join the north pole also and south pole. Same activity here. And lastly, we draw a line between A point. At that time, these are, that means these points are join the also north pole and south pole. On this basis, our next point related to this activity. This is only activity. You understand the north pole and south pole. That means here meridians of longitude. What is the meridians of longitude? We learn about the next chapter. Thank you.